Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about failure. Failure is something almost everyone fears. We worry about making mistakes, being judged, or not reaching our goals as fast as we hoped. Because of that fear, many people never begin at all. They hesitate, they overthink, and they let doubt hold them back before they even try. But failure is not the end. Failure is a teacher. Every mistake carries a lesson. Every setback shows you something you didn't know before. Every time you fall, you discover a new way to rise. The truth is, success is not built by avoiding failure. It's built by learning from it, adapting, and moving forward with more understanding than before. Think about it. When a child learns to walk, they fall again and again. But no one calls that failure. No one tells them to stop trying. We understand that falling is part of the process. And life works the same way. Growth comes with discomfort. Progress comes with mistakes. The strongest people are not the ones who never fail. They are the ones who keep going, even after they fall. They take the lesson, not the loss. They turn pain into power and setbacks into comebacks. So when failure comes into your life, don't see it as the end of your story. See it as a turning point, a moment to pause, reflect, and come back stronger. Don't let fear stop you. Don't let one mistake define you. Learn, grow, and try again. Because success is not the absence of failure. It is built on the lessons that failure teaches you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Talk Fluent. Bye.